that one sharp equipment. That one is we are not using any equipment. That one is manual excavation. But sometimes we are using some excavator machines, loader, shower, or compactor, or crane, or something. That time we are using a machine that are excavation called mechanical excavation. The basic, what is the definition of excavation? If we are going to damage a surface of earth, okay, if we are damaging the surface of earth, that one is called excavation. If we damage a surface of earth, that one is called excavation. Okay, if we remove some sand from one place to another place, this is excavation. If we are digging some area or we excavate ground level, that one is excavation. Or chipping with the scissor or something, this is excavation. Okay, the simple thing is excavation is we are damage the surface of earth, that one is called excavation. And now, for if the excavation have some hazards, okay, if we are starting excavation, there is some hazards. For example, if we are excavating to some area, we are going to block a root, okay, and there is a tripping hazard, falling hazards, falling object. The equipment can drop, material can drop to there. Some utilities, when we are excavating to some area, maybe the damage a utility of some underground utilities. The other thing, if we are there is a dangerous coming to that area, water accumulation, water is coming from that area if we are starting the excavation. Okay, and these are basic hazards. Then how we can prevent, how we protect to ourselves if there is excavation. For example, if the deep excavation means we need the proper access for that, and the access 25 feet walking distance we required for the access. Okay, if we are starting excavation for this area to there is 25, we need a one access there. One, if the 26, 25, 1, 26 feet, then we need the 2. Okay, in the 50, it means the more than this, also we need the more access, but how? 20 feet, 25 feet walking distance. Mean how much area? 50 feet. If we are excavating, one access is enough. But walking distance how much? 25. At that time we keep in middle. 25 feet from this side, 25 feet from this side, in the middle coming up one access. Okay, when we reach to 51, mean we need two access. Because 50 in the middle, they can come here. This 50 they can come here. But after 50 we need other access. 10 to 100. 10 to 100 foot we need two access. Later on we practice about this. And for the excavation, when we are doing this manual excavation, we select the proper tools for excavation. And a person, if he is healthy or he can do to that work, then he can do. And when we reach to an excavation 1.2 meter, then we consider that excavation confined space. Then all documents which one we required in the confined space, those all we follow there. After the 1.2 meter. Less than 1.2 meter, we need only excavation permit. Excavation permit is enough, or field work permit. But more than 1.2 meter, then we need the excavation, the confined space entry permit, and also the field work permit, which one is required, or hardwood permit, which type of activity is there. That one also we need to there. And for excavation, there is a soil type. First of all, we check. How many type of soil? 4 type of soil. In the world, everywhere. How many type of soil? 4 type. First type of soil is the rock. Rock type of soil. Strong, hard. Okay. The second one is A type of soil. Okay. And third one is B type of soil. The fourth one is C type of soil. The rock type we can excavate in 90 angles. For example, this one we can excavate in 90 angle. It's the rock type. If the A type, then we can excavate 65. If the B type, we can excavate 55. And if the C type, then inversion standard 34, Aramco's the 35, and Aramco standard 34. Yeah, and then we change the angles, and everywhere we cannot make angle. If near a building, roadside, or some plant, tower or something, then we cannot make angle there. What we do? Yes, we need to there shoring. We put a proper piling, shoring. These are things we use to there. We protect to that area by, because there is also in the dangerous something is more coming to there. If we have some excavation, there is a vibration also affecting to that area. When vehicles crossing from near to that excavation, they also by vibration maybe the side can collapse. This is a hazard in excavation. The side collapse. Okay. And for this purpose, we must be protect to these things. We arrange some shoring. We have a shoring system. We are making a sometimes benching system. You've seen in the motorway at the side they make the step by step. That one is called benching system. Sloping, benching, shoring, piling, and other thing box system, block or box system. If we are putting some lines side also we cannot make a slope or shoring. Then we have a metal box. There's a hydraulic jet. We are keeping to that box. Inside people they are fixing a pipeline or something. Then after that they can fix. Then they can remove that box. The person cannot collapse. The person cannot coming underground that excavation. By this purpose, we are using some box system with the hydraulic jet. Sometimes hydraulic jet. Sometimes we are putting the sports or something. These are things we are doing to there. But basic, we cover to these all are in the excavation. And when we are starting excavation to anywhere, we need the proper system, signboards, proper barricade. And when we are taking up soil from inside to outside, we must be keep 2 feet. We give a distance from excavation to 2 feet gap. And barricade height we are giving 1 meter. And 1 meter far from the excavation, from this edge, we keep 1 meter far. Then after that we can put the barricade. We cannot bring our vehicles near to this. If we are parking a crane near to excavation, we must be give the first 2 meters far from the excavation. It's a light deep, not a deep excavation. Then, if this one excavation is more deep, 3 meter, 4 meter, then how much excavation deep? We give the distance to our equipment far from that area, because this is unstable, and we give the space from the edge of excavation to park our equipment, cranes, and these all things. And we cannot put, this is also considered to that area as confined space, work at height, because if dip, then 1.2 meter, that one is also considered a work at height. We need the full body harness there. If the person coming to edge of the excavation, okay, if we have a work here, and this area is 1.2 meter, if the person have some activities here, he wear the full body harness. For example, he is fixing a shoring or something, there is a height 1.2 meter. This area is deep, not upside, but deep. Depth is more than 1.2 meter. Then workers, he is working here. He must be wear the proper protection also. Work at height protection. Irritator lines or full body harness. Okay? If wear, then after that he can work with that area. If we are looking to this, if this height is from ground to this area 1.2 meter, and if same, if this is the surface and person is working 1.82 meter upside, then also need to work at 1.8 meter. They need the full body harness and all work at height protection. Those are required for that purpose. Okay. And we check our equipment, which one we are using to there. For example, this is manual excavation. We use the manual rule. And sometimes we are working with the excavator, and these things we are using. Then we need the for excavator excavation, machine, operator, documents, everything. And then also we need the, who is the worker giving the guidance to that operator. That one is called spotter, because that person is looking at the spot. He is giving signal to him. He is spotting to that machine. That person called spotter. He is giving signal to him. Okay, you can break, because the operator is standing outside. He cannot see what is the deep position. Deep side, the one other person who is telling to him, okay, your machine is reached to now in this area. Take up, bucket is full. Then you get back and bring outside. For this purpose, we need to spotter with this. It's clear? This one is small basic thing, which one is coming mostly in the paper. But we keep in our mind these all information. This is very important. Now we are starting to our proper excavation system. Okay? It's maybe this is our basic information is okay, but now we start to our presentation. Okay?
जी
Go.